What's good, YouTube? We're here in the F30. Today we're going to be taking it into Boston. It's a beautiful Saturday night. We're chilling. She's purring. Sounds good. And so let's get driving. I'd hop outside, but I'm hardwired because I can't keep my batteries charged ever at all. So yeah, let's just get into it. Leaving this parking lot, man, you see that right here. That shit would, I'm not even lower. That would take out my whole bottom end. So let's not do that. Let's have a good drive. All right. And this left hand too, man. Could have totaled my car twice in the last like 5 minutes. It's crazy how that works. Crazy how that works. But yo, these downshifts, engine's cold right now, so we're not gonna be doing too much. I'm not sure if any B58 owners are, you know, in the channel in the chat, but these engines, man, to warm up, oh my gosh. But I just can't hit boost. That's my rule. I got my cold sets off, but when the needle drops, I can start driving. When my oil heats up, I can hit boost. That's how I keep it. That's how I keep it safe. But once it hits boost, I stay in boost. I just ran across the street. Through a football too. Wants to be a hurdle ornament. Oh, this turbo whistle will never ever get old. We'll not drive too crazy. Blow my car up mid-video. See, I am tuned on MHD. I've got my maps. As you can see, I'm an idiot. I'm in map 3 right now, so I've got my car set up. We've got map 1 is my 100% power, burbles, all that stuff. On pump gas. I got my map 2 at 2K RPM, same thing but on ethanol. And ethanol makes this car, I'm gonna make that a video in the future. Ethanol warms this car up like it makes it a beast. And then map 3 is my neighborhood map, you know what I mean? So map 3 I have my cold start reduction on, I've got no burbles, and I've got 60% power too. So you know, I like the daily, today's a Saturday, it's a weekend, but I like the daily drive on that map 3 just because, you know, if you drive a fast car every day at the same speed, you're gonna get used to it. You can get used to it. I mean, at this level, it's a nice Supra. You know, I saw a Q50 in that same spot a few days ago. Must be like something I don't know about. Train track's coming up. You know what that means, all my Haitians? Feet up. Good luck. Bonsoir. But yeah. Alright, warming up a little bit. Soon we can get some poppage. Entering this highway we're about to see is a beautiful kind of underpass, walls on both sides, no police, no nothing. I always like to do a pull. It's kind of my routine. Good to have routines these days and everything's monotonous. Good to have routines. So every day I like to do a pull, but sometimes it's been getting colder, winter's coming. My car won't be warm by the time I hit that underpass, which means I can't do the pull. So I want my car to be warm by the time I hit the underpass. I've been letting it idle too, but you know, with the PCV, you can't be doing that. So I don't know, man. Scary stuff. Scary stuff. And I got my ducks here. I was telling my boy I super glue the duck down because when I do pulls, sometimes it moves around, but super glue's already loose. We'll see. Oh, there's a cop right there. Oh, that sounded good. Way map 1, let me make sure. I always forget. Yes. These tunes for Beamers are crazy as well. A lot of my buddies got Audis, and you know, the tuning is like $700, 10 minutes. It's so easy. I hold down my set button, boom, what map do you want? Love it. Love BMW. Love this interior, love this car, man. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Let's get some. I saw a TikTok. I think it went viral. I'm sure everybody saw it. This song in a BMW, it's bad news. And if you wanna sound so killing me, no. He ain't slick. He did that, he know. Better get out the. I'm just kidding. Fuck that drum music. We want to hear B58, right? What is that? What was that? We have more train tracks right here. Feet up. Boom. That's good luck. Enough good luck means this 340 will be an F82 M4 soon. Bunch of train tracks coming soon, okay? I'll make a whole video just train tracks for good luck. That's what we'll do. So obnoxious. I'm surprised with this tint. I'm not sure if you can even see the difference, but if you see this windshield and then this right here, you probably see me. So it's insane, the difference. What's this truck do? Okay. Ah, it's one of the gas. Another cool thing about these Beamers I learned, I know for a while, but I should share it. You can make shortcuts, right? While driving, I don't think it works, but I got it right now. Number one, it's CarPlay, right? Love it. It works so well. And then I hit right here, the nav, just to open up the maps. It works so well. Is that a Dominican right there? Yeah. Que lo que, papi? Dime. I love my que lo que cars. What's this right here? X. It's funny, this morning going to work I was recording. I had my GoPro on. It was in the midday, about 11. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna record, make some content, get some footage. Nah, it's traffic. I take my GoPro off. The second I take it off, beautiful G80 M3, window down. What's up, man? Nice 340. We roll race like 4 or 5 times. I wouldn't say a race because it's a G80, you know. This is quick, but I'm not touching G80s. Maybe I am. Fucking love this car. I'm gonna get demonetized for that. Anyway, a beautiful G80 M3 right next to me. We're racing. I'm like, man, if I had my GoPro on, I could have, boom, content. More of the story is, just like stocks, do the opposite of what you think, because you're never gonna be down. But yeah, man. For some reason, my burbles don't always work on a higher downshift. I'm not sure why. So like, the light's green. Nice. This is the pole I was talking about. Car is warm, so let's get some B58 soundtrack going. Love that brap. Spitting. It's all crashed today. That would suck. Yeah, man. Tradition. You love it. I heard that beeping from my gas light turning on, and I thought I just blew my whole car up on that pole. That would have sucked. Another thing with this tint, there's a car merging on me. I'm gonna have no idea. I'm not gonna know until it's way too late. So, windows down. I'll check my mirror. It sucks, but that's the cost of rolling in style. Safety. Buckle up, phone down. Indeed. Yeah, let this be a PSA to stop texting and driving, because that shit's... Let me figure out this audio thing, because this mic might suck. Let's hope it doesn't. What's this? I don't know why. On a back road, give me 80 and a 30 all day. But recently on the highway, I've been sitting in the right lane like a good boy. Right now we're going, what does it say? 69. Nice. Let's go 67. Just kidding. But yeah, man, I don't know why. This might be some boring content right now, but the highway, 70 is my safe place. I'm not sure if it's the car or what, but I feel like on the highway, I'll floor for 5 seconds, I'm about to go to jail. It's 160. So, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, any BMW 6-cylinder owner knows that these cars are torque monsters on the highway. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I mean, I'll be in the right lane like I said. Car comes flying up, downshift, it's instant. It's instant torque. Instant torque. Any bridge I see, man. Any bridge I see. You know, I've heard some terrible things about Overrun Brab, but we got 38,000 miles. It's gonna be a later problem, okay? Yeah, this is too fun to stop doing. I'm a Brabaholic, you could say. Give me a nice tunnel pull heel. Oh my god, that's so loud. Oh my gosh. That was a crazy pop. But yeah, I'm not sure if you saw that, but I had to downshift to about 4. I get no burbles. Once I put more gas, I'm not sure if it's how the tune dumps the fuel into the cylinder, but I don't know. If you guys are curious about how a burble tune works, because I've seen a lot of dumbasses in the car community, the tune changes your timing to dump more fuel into the cylinder, and then as that fuel leaves the cylinder, it's so hot, it pop, pop, pop. In case you cared, in case you were sitting at home, you're like, how does a burble tune work, J-Mo? That's how a burble tune works. And if that helped you out, subscribe to this video. I'm gonna hope that this footage looks good because I'm flowing right now on the mic. Recently I've been recording, it's been like this, just the ceiling. So we're gonna hope that's not the case, okay? Even though this is just me going 70 on the highway. But yeah, the burbles, again, when I downshift, if anybody knows the solution, I appreciate it. When I downshift, I gotta press the gas to get anything to happen. I'm not sure why. Anything above 3 does that. I'm not sure if it's my timing. I'm on 1 point, I think I'm on 1.4 for this map. A little bit much. I'm gonna tune it the second I get home because we don't want this anymore. But yeah, what else to say? Don't know what else to say. You see, this car just turned lanes on me. He's got the 2 little amber lights. Hey babe. He's got the 2 amber lights, and I think it's a cop, but I hope it's not a cop. So who knows? We're gonna find out together, guys. Because I want to do a pull for the camera, but not a good idea because then I have to do it from the cops, and you know, I don't feel like squeeze benzing it right now. Don't feel like squeeze benzing it. I'm gonna text the lady that we're almost there. You text and drive. I am 5 minutes away. Perfect. What is this right here? What's up, guy? See, with this tin, I don't know if it's a 325i or if it's a E92 M3. It's like a 335. That's nice. I love the 335s. M55, M54. On TikTok, I see a lot of hate about these cars, about the N chassis, but they pioneered the way for the B58 thing. Like, this engine that I'm driving right now, that I'm so blessed to be able to drive, this is just an N55 but mastered, and people don't understand that. N55 might even sound better. B58's faster, more reliable. I don't want to hear anything about that, but I don't know. Stop the hate. We all got great cars. Respect all cars, unless it's like, you know, a Honda or something. Let's catch up with him and see what he's about. Oh! I think I caught air right there. I'm having this issue too. It sounds like it's raining in the front. I don't know what's going on with my car. I don't want to know what's going on with my car because it's brand new to me. But hopefully nothing bad. Let's get some cut upage. And let's rear end this guy. That would suck. Let's not do that. See, this is why I'm not squeeze Benz, because he just blew my doors off and mogged me. I'm stuck behind this fucking whatever this is. That's a bad look, and I'm recording too. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. I gotta find a way to cope. When I find a way to cope, I'll deal with it. Okay. Yeah, this is my exit here anyway. That's why I didn't do that, guys. Because my exit's right here, and I got a Tesla right here. I don't want to get in any ruckus. As you can see right there, I was talking about the torque on the 6 cylinders earlier. I went from 60 to 102, I think, something like that, in seconds. You just mash the gas and you go. It's amazing. Wonderful driving experience. All right, we're off the highway. We can go windows down, stop yapping, and then now we can just let the engine speak for itself again, because that's much easier than trying to entertain myself. So yeah. Whenever I'm rolling downhill in this tune too, it just pop, 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 pop. I'm not sure if it's because the RPMs are going up, so the engine gets confused or what. It sounds ridiculous though, absolutely ridiculous. I'll be able to get a clip up here in a second. What's that? That's not a Porsche. Is that a Porsche? No. Ambulance. My orthodoxes cross. Boston's ambulances are something about them is just nice. They look friendly. Not that I want to be in one, God willing, but they look nice. They look friendly. What is this? SN95. Love to see it. Oh man, I forgot the Auramax. I like my parking lights on. I'd like to see. I like to look cool. That's all it's about. I'd also look for this car to go. That would be nice. There we go. There we go. I love this car. This car down low at low speeds is, I love it, man. Just like this, just love how it sounds and feels. It's also funny I'm exiting the highway to go back to where I just was, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. We got a tunnel, so you know what it is. 3, 2, 1. Love that turbo. Love that turbo. Map 3 has no burbles. That turbo's a little louder, but the low power makes the turbo boost lower. So I like this map for now. I feel like a weirdo right now. I feel like a D1 pervert with a camera on my face, looking at the sidewalk. Sorry. Let me come down. I'm a content creator. I'm not an IRL vlogger. Let me stay in my lane. Oh. Yeah, those pops are a bit too much. I love them, but they're a bit too much. Woo! Like that. That was too much. This fucking Prius. What the fuck is this Prius doing? All right, let me. Between the cars too, man. Oh my god. Sounds like I'm gonna. Wow. It sounds so good. Let me see if I can get some rollage and show you guys what's up. You can go. I'm not gonna hit you. So see, my foot's off the gas. I'm just. Let me speed up a little bit. See? Sounds ridiculous. Left-hand turn too. I'm waiting for one day some guy's gonna come through at 1,000 miles an hour and blow my car up. But YouTube, I'm about to be home. I don't want to do a house review yet. I don't want to dox myself yet. So I'm gonna end it here. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope my car sounds. Wait. Oh, I hope my car sounds good. I hope you like it. Any suggestions in the comments, I'd appreciate it. And yeah, have a great weekend. Have a great night. Have a great life. See you in the next one. Peace.